Okay, we got our head here. That's where our dowel is going to go. So we got all our pieces cut. So we got that. We have this, and we have this here. So what we'll do is we will start and doing one piece at a time. We'll get this one glued in where it goes. So we'll glue this piece in, clamp it, and after we let that set up for a while, then we can turn it over. And we'll glue this piece in where it goes. That should line up pretty good with that. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to work on getting this top, the mouthpiece, and the forehead glued to this here, and then we'll come back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.